Hi everybody and welcome back. I want to apologize for being so weird with this channel. Like I literally just kind of post a video as I'm passing through. Like I'll be like, oh hey, I'm here, I'm gonna post a video, and then I don't show up again for like months at a time. So my goal is to be on this channel at least once every single week. So if you don't see a video from me every week, you better be like, what is this nonsense? Get your shit together and post a video. So that's my New Year's resolution. So at least for this year, I'm gonna do that, okay? Now, you've already read the heading of this video, which I'm not sure what I'm gonna call it, but let me just explain a little bit of what's going on and why I'm here really quickly, okay? So over the last 2 years, I've had the rainbow of hair colors, and I did a review of like the different kind of vibrant hair dyes that I've used. Then I used Pravana, and it was like just attacked the shit out of my hair. I don't know why. It was the bleaching process, the hair dyeing process. I hated my hair texture. I was struggling to remove the hair color, and then I just kind of gave up, got my hair cut really short, which a lot of people do. You know, I do it all the time. And then after that, I just like felt like the back of my head, the sides, the ends of my hair were so crappy. I tried a whole bunch of stuff. I tried Olaplex, I bought these expensive conditioners, I went to Sally's and bought hair masks, and I was like, nothing is working. So then I channeled my inner budget. Just my inner budgety self, and I actually went to Walmart to pick up a couple like random things, and I ventured into like the sort of, you know, like where they have like international things, like just that sort of like where they'll have food and beauty products from like different kind of cultures and countries. And I was like, I should probably check like the Indian stuff, because like hello, I know I'm like ghostly pale to the point where I probably blend into this wall over here, but I'm gonna edit this video and give myself some color, okay? So despite this, I am Indian, so I was like, you know what, maybe I need to get something like specific to Indian hair, because I did start looking up like hair treatments made by other brown YouTubers, and I was like, maybe some of this stuff will help. So I've literally cooked my hair with egg and coconut oil and almond oil and this stuff and that stuff, and I was just like, everything kind of made my hair softer, but nothing was making it feel like, oh my god, I could be in a Pantene commercial right now. P.S. I don't like Pantene because I don't believe in animal testing, so whatever. I don't know why Pantene is always the brand we go to. Okay, can you stop stammering and just blabbering and get to the point? So I found this like 1 kilo tub of this hair conditioner that had all the stuff that I was using to make like a hair mask at home. And it was getting messy because when you put egg in your hair, you can't wash your hair with hot water. It'll cook the damn egg in there. So I was like, damn it. So I just wound up buying this Vatica Naturals Hot Oil Hair Mask, Intensive Nourishment, Damaged and Split Hair. Strong hair. 1 kilo. 1 bloody kilo. And this was like, I think $6.99 or $7.99. So if you're in the US, this is probably gonna be like $5 for you guys. That's why the headline might be misleading for Canadians, so I'm sorry, but whatever. You know what? Whatever gets the views, baby. Okay. So I got this and I was like, okay, you know what? It's like $5-6. I'm just gonna try it out. Like, worst case, it doesn't work, and I'll just, I don't know, use it to soften my sweaters or something like that. So the smell of it is incredibly strong. It actually smells like incense sticks. Like, you know those ones you burn? I think they're called incense sticks. Why am I not more brown? Why don't I know what the shit that stuff's called? Ugh. The things you burn them, I'm pretty sure they're called incense sticks, okay? So this actually smells like one of the incense sticks I had a long time ago, and I want to say it was sandalwood or something. I don't know. But it kind of smells like that. So it does smell really nice. It's very strong if you put like your whole head into this, but when you go into the shower, you pretty much like shampoo your hair, and then I just kind of like scoop out a whole bunch into my hand, and I warm it up in between these things, my palms, and then I essentially just kind of like take my hair like this, and then I rub it into the end. And then what I do is if I still have a little bit left between my fingers or something, I just softly kind of like graze the top of my head. I don't massage it into my scalp. And then I leave it. If you have longer hair, I would probably suggest like tying your hair up or putting it up into a ponytail. I do that sometimes if I find I need to still wash my face and the hair is kind of moving around. I'll shave my legs, whatever you need to do. And then at the end, just rinse it out. I actually thought this would leave my hair really oily and stuff, and I cannot believe how unbelievably soft my hair felt right after the first use. I was just like, oh my God, I just want to do this all damn day. Now, this is my hair. It's not been styled or anything like that. I literally washed my hair last night. I watched some TV, and then this is what my hair looks like. I haven't straightened it. I haven't done anything. My hair naturally is probably pretty straight, so it's not like it's straightened my hair, but look at the damn texture, bro. I just want to like social media the shit out of this hair, but I don't know how to take like very, I don't know how to take photos like that. So, but this stuff is so good, you guys. I honestly suggest you try it. I think they have like different kinds. I really like this one because it has egg in it, honey, castor oil, and then marrow, whatever that is. It says it's a product of Italy, but I'm pretty sure this is an Indian thing. And plus, like, look at the lady. We look almost the same. Look. Okay, I'm looking in the viewfinder. That's why, whatever. So yeah, this stuff is so good. I cannot recommend this enough. And for how affordable it is, honestly, if it doesn't work out, just seriously use it to soften your sweaters and stuff, but make sure they're wool sweaters, not like the synthetic ones, because I don't know how that would work. So yeah, this stuff is really, 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 really good. I don't know why it took me like 7 minutes to say this, but seriously, try this stuff out. I'm not sponsored by them, but look at me. Like, I'm like the baby YouTube channel. So, you know, come on, $5. I've got that much money, okay? Yeah, so try this out. Let me know what you think. I haven't tried like leaving it in my hair for like overnight or a couple of hours yet. I find just having it in the shower and like the steam in the shower, just kind of working on it enough where I am blown away with how great my hair feels. Like literally, I wish I knew how good this stuff was before, so I could have made a video of what my hair was like even a week before I started using this stuff. Just mind blown. So good. So if you have damaged hair from, you know, dyeing your hair or bleaching your hair, or I don't know, being out in the sun, or you swim a lot, anything like that, I really suggest you try this stuff out. Try their other lines if you don't need the damaged split end stuff. Again, I got it in Walmart in the sort of like ethnic aisle, and I don't know where you can find it if you don't see it in Walmart, honestly. But I hope you do find it. So try it out. Let me know what you think. I'm so sorry for making this video long, but it's so nice to be back on here. And again, I will be on this channel at least every single week with some video or the other. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feedback, suggestions, leave them down below. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It's just a little baby growing channel, but I have lots of hope for it. And until next time, I'll see you guys again very soon, and have a great day. Bye.